Guys, pay attention because this is really serious. Hi, this is Izzy from Endless RVing. Thank you for joining us. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 6 manufacturer recalls that were just recently put out by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. And you're going to want to watch this video completely because the recalls in here can cause some serious crashes and maybe even death. This is dated November 30th, 2020. Let's get into it. Daimler Vans USA. They have a recall: sudden loss of power steering assist hydraulic steering fluid leaking on the roadway may increase the risk of a crash. Potential affected units 47,667 units. They are recalling certain 2015 through 2020 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter and Freightliner Sprinter vehicles. The hydraulic power return line hoses may detach at their connection points under certain operating conditions, causing hydraulic fluid to leak. Daimler Chrysler will notify you if your VIN number falls within the affected units for a free fix or replacement of whatever needs to be replaced, free of charge. Jayco, this is going to be the least serious of the recalls. So excessive surface temperatures may increase the risk of injury to the occupants. Jayco is recalling certain 2020 and 21 Alante Precept Prestige motorhomes, Integra Vision XL motorhomes built on a Ford F53 chassis. The engine cover may not contain sufficient heat insulation, causing the interior surface temperatures to be excessive. Potential units affected 360, and Jayco will notify any potential owners for a free repair. Keystone RV, the frame may buckle and fail. A buckled frame may fail and increase the risk of a crash. The number of units affected, 1,296 units. Keystone is recalling 2019, 2021, certain ones: Outback 335CG and 340BH recreational trailers. A section of the frame rail may have inadequate support where the drawbar is attached, allowing the frame rail to buckle. Moving on to Thor Motor Coach, the BIM and BIR is not watertight. For those of you that don't know what that means, the BIM is the Battery Isolation Manager. The BIR is the Battery Isolation Relay. This is affecting 1,074 units. Thor Motor Coach is recalling certain 2020-21 Daybreak 4-Wind Chateau Freedom Elite Quantum motorhomes built on the Chevy chassis. The BIM and BIR is not watertight when exposed to engine compartment heat and may cause a fire. Thor Motor Coach will reach out to you and make the corrections free of charge. Triple E recreational vehicles is an incorrect connector used on propane connections. The wrong connector may cause a propane leak to occur, increasing the risk of a fire. Never good. Potential affected units 834, and there is a variety of units here. They're going to be on the Serenity line, the Wonder line of motorhomes. Incorrect brass connector was used on the propane connection to be flared connection of the Truma water heater fitting. Connected didn't have the proper correct bevel to seal to the Truma water heater swivel fitting, and this will be corrected. Triple E will contact you and correct this free of charge. And now, here's the last one, and really, I don't even know how this happens. But again, we've talked about this in videos. Sometimes, a lot of times, these manufacturers are pushing things through. Sometimes there's a lack of quality control, and this is very apparent here. There's no way this should have happened. Winnebago towable, trailers built with undersized axles. The axle breaks, it could cause a serious crash, injury, or death. Well, yes, it could certainly do that. Potential number of affected units 106. The Winnebago is recalling certain 2021 micro mini trailers. These trailers were built with undersized axles that may not support the weight of the vehicle and could break. So get this. Winnebago will notify owners and the dealers that they will replace the 2,500 pound rated axle with the correct 4,000 pound rated axle free of charge. The manufacturer has yet to provide a schedule for the recall notifications, but owners can contact Winnebago at their customer service number, which you can find on their website. So, in the comments below, let us know if any of these units you may own are affected, or if you had an RV that has been affected by a recall. So far, knock on granite, we have not had a recall on our Newmar. And for myself and MJ, we thank you guys for watching. Stay safe, and we'll see you on the road.